$68,000 a month from investing, and I'm not some Wall Street genius. I started with small amounts, made mistakes, lost money, and figured out a system that actually works. And today, you can literally copy my trades and strategy using the same platform I trust to make consistent profits. If you're a beginner, this is the video that could change your entire investing journey. As a beginner, investing felt confusing and frustrating. I fell for hype and get-rich-quick schemes, only to be disappointed. Then, I discovered the power of copy trading. Learning about proper risk management changed everything. The moment I found Luma Exchange, it transformed my results. This is not hype. This is how a small, disciplined approach turned into $68,000 per month. Most investors fail for several reasons. They chase tips and hype, leading to losses. Overtrading becomes a problem. Along with emotional decisions, many use the wrong platforms, complicating their journey. Success in 2026 isn't about guessing, it's about using the right system. Now, let's talk about the system that makes $68,000 per month. First, copy trading expert stock traders. Step 2 is to set strict daily risk limits. The third step combines binary and stock trading for consistent growth. Finally, always reinvest profits systematically. I only do this on Luma Exchange because it's safe, transparent, and beginner-friendly. Luma Exchange is the ultimate platform for several reasons. It's a legitimate platform I've personally used to make money with crypto and stocks. It's suitable for both beginner and advanced traders. Here you can do copy trading and binary trading all in one system. You'll also find transparent trader stats and performance tracking. Plus, the automation removes emotional mistakes. Start here https://lumaexchange.com. Let's break down my step-by-step strategy. First, select consistent, proven traders, then, allocate capital for copy trading. Use binary trades only when strategy signals match. Monitor performance and gradually adjust your approach. Reinvest small profits to scale your monthly earnings. This is a structured system, not gambling. While $68,000 per month is possible, it requires consistency. Remember, there's no overnight wealth in investing. Risk management is everything in this game. Copying the right traders gives you a significant edge. Why does this represent the future of investing? Binary and copy trading simplify stock investing for everyone. When combined with automation and transparency, beginners become empowered. Luma Exchange shapes the future of binary and copy trading. If you want to start investing the smart way and literally copy a system that works, check out Luma Exchange. It's the platform I trust and personally use to make consistent profits. Like, subscribe, and share this video for more step-by-step strategies, beginner tutorials, and insights into the future of binary and copy trading. Don't guess. Copy what works. Start building your wealth today.